17 signs a girl likes you and wants you to chase her. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting topic of decoding a girl's interest and figuring out if she wants you to chase her. It's like a game of flirting and chasing, and trust me, it's quite an adventure. We'll explore some awesome signs that can help you understand when a girl is into you and wants you to make a move. Now, let me tell you, the dating scene has evolved, my friend. It's not just guys doing all the work anymore. In fact, girls often enjoy taking the lead and being the ones to pursue guys. It's a whole new world out there in the dating game, always changing and evolving. But sometimes amidst all the new dynamics, a girl still desires to be chased by a guy, and she'll leave behind little clues and signs for you to follow, indicating that she wants you to pursue her. I totally get it. Deciphering these signs can be confusing unless you know what to look for. So today we're going to uncover exactly what girls do when they want you to chase them. She's hot and then cold. Sometimes a girl may seem interested in you and then suddenly become distant. It can be confusing, but it's her way of indicating that she wants you to chase her. Instead of getting annoyed, see it as a signal to go for it and pursue her. She replies quickly. If a girl responds to your messages promptly, it shows that you're a priority and she wants to get to know you better. She might be shy and wants you to make the first move by pursuing her. She may also enjoy the thrill of being pursued and wants you to put in the effort. Meaningful responses. When she replies to your messages, she doesn't just give short and simple answers. She responds with detailed messages that have depth. She may reveal more about herself or engage in flirty banter. This is her way of saying, "Chase me if you're interested." So take the hint and make your move. She says yes to your suggestions. Whenever you invite her to do something, she always says yes. By asking her out, you're pursuing her, and that's exactly what she wants. She wants to spend time with you and get closer. If you're thinking about asking her out, don't be afraid. Take the leap and just do it. She'll appreciate it and most likely say yes. She looks nice around you. When a girl likes you and wants you to pursue her, she'll always make an effort with her appearance. She won't show up in sloppy or messy clothes. Her hair will be done nicely, and she'll wear nice clothes, shoes, and maybe even makeup. If you notice this effort, it's a sign for you to go for it with her. Meaningful conversation. The stage of small talk is over. Instead of asking about her day, you'll engage in deeper and more meaningful conversations. You might talk about your school experiences or childhood memories. These conversations show that she trusts you and is genuinely interested in you. It's a sign for you to pursue her, and things may progress into a more serious relationship. Flirting and teasing. Sometimes a girl will tease you to express her interest and desire for more. It can be confusing because you might wonder if she really likes you when she isn't always friendly. But rest assured, she does like you, and teasing is her way of showing it. She wants you to put in a little more effort and pursue her. The flirting and teasing indicate that she's open to you making a move, so go for it. Reverse chasing. When you're pursuing someone, it can be tiring and you may feel drained, but sometimes when you stop pursuing her, she starts pursuing you. If you suddenly stop talking to her, she'll message you and make an effort to keep the connection alive. The roles will reverse, and you won't have to do much while she puts in more work. The trick is to pursue her initially to show your interest and then dial down the chase, giving her the opportunity to pursue you. Avoiding the big question. When you're dating someone, there comes a time when you want to make things official. It's natural and exciting. However, it can be disheartening when a girl says no or tries to avoid the question by changing the subject. It doesn't mean she doesn't want to be your girlfriend. She just wants you to pursue her a little longer. Girls enjoy the chase and the early stages of a relationship when everything feels exhilarating. That's why they sometimes prolong it when you want to move things to the next level. Patience is key here. Be patient and let the relationship naturally progress. Asking if you miss her. At times, she may seem mysterious or distant, which can make you feel like you're wasting your time. Then, when you spend time together, she asks if you miss her. This might leave you wondering what she wants from you. Try not to get frustrated and remind yourself that she wants you to pursue her. Playing hard to get. Playing hard to get is a classic sign that someone wants to be pursued. She may not reply quickly or decline a date you thought she'd love to go on. This is her way of making you put in some effort and chase her. If you notice her playing hard to get, step up your efforts and pursue her. Frequent smiles and happiness. When someone genuinely likes another person, they naturally smile a lot and appear happy around them. Even if she's playing hard to get, she won't be able to hide her smile and genuine joy. Keep an eye out for her smile. It's a clear sign that she wants you to pursue her. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact is a classic sign that someone likes you and wants you to pursue them. During the early stages of getting to know each other, it's normal not to fully understand each other's body language. However, if she consistently maintains eye contact, especially during intense moments like a dinner conversation, and smiles, it means she likes you and wants you to make a move. Pay attention to her eyes. Sharing her schedule. When a girl tells you about her plans and availability, she's indirectly saying, "Ask me out." For example, she might mention that she's working on Monday and Tuesday, but has Wednesday off. She wants you to pursue her and ask her out on that Wednesday. Additionally, she wants you to know that she has a life and is busy. It's almost like a defense mechanism in case you don't feel the same way about her. To reassure her, start pursuing her. This way, she'll know that you're interested. She uses emojis in her texts. Texts filled with emojis. Does it mean she wants me to chase her? Well, here's the deal. When a woman uses specific emojis in her messages, it could be her way of hinting that she wants you to pursue her. Emojis are those cute little symbols people use to express emotions in texts, and when it comes to someone they like, certain emojis can indicate a potential romantic connection. Emojis are like hidden messages, offering a glimpse into her feelings. So if you notice flirty or affectionate emojis popping up in her texts, it's like a green light for you to consider chasing after her. But remember, always be respectful and take things at a comfortable pace. She tells her friends about you. Now, let's move on to another sign. When she talks about you to her friends. It's a good sign if she secretly mentions you in conversations with her pals while acting disinterested when you're around. This could be her way of dropping hints that she wants you to ask her out. So don't waste any more time and make your move. She's always around you. Next up, if you find that she's always conveniently around you, it might not be a mere coincidence. Women who are interested in you might make it easy for you to chase them. They'll find reasons to be near you, and those frequent encounters may not be accidental. It's her subtle way of saying, "Hey, I'm into you." So pay attention and seize the opportunity. She initiates contact with you. And here's a powerful clue. She initiates contact with you. After exchanging texts and spending time together, if she takes the initiative to reach out first, it's a strong sign that she doesn't want to wait for you to make a move. She's striking while the iron is hot. It could be a text from her, asking about your day, or even her talking to your friends about you. Heck, she might even take the lead and plan a date. When she takes charge like that, it's a clear signal that she wants to be chased by you. If you liked today's video, please give us a like and subscribe for more content like this.